Hey, learn how to add users as secondary members to a specific group and verify their membership using terminal commands.
So this is where the people magic happens.
And where the paperwork never sleeps.
2 new minds, 1 mission.
Oh yeah, so we have Maggie Brown, that is M. Brown, and Corey Flynn, that is C. Flynn, that have been recently hired in the Human Resource Department. You have already created the user account. So your goal here in lab 4.74 is to add these users to the group. Oh yeah, the first step is to add users to the HR group. So open the terminal, navigate to the favorites bar and select terminal. Then add M. Brown to the HR group. To add M. Brown to the group, you're going to type user mod, usermod -G HR M. Brown, okay, as displayed on the screen. So take note that the -G option assigns the specified group as a secondary group and does not in any way affect the user's primary group. So Maggie Brown has been successfully added to the group. So let's go ahead and add Corey Flynn. So in this case, we'll type in user mod, usermod -G HR C Flynn, C FLYNN. So next is to verify group membership. So we're going to check whether Maggie Brown is added to the group. So type groups, then M. Brown. Then you'll see that Maggie Brown has indeed been listed by the HR. Then go ahead and check whether Corey Flynn has been added to the group. So type groups, then C Flynn as displayed on the screen, and you'll see